Good morning, dear students. So today we will continue exercise 14.1. Question number 6. There are 132 balls in 11 boxes. How many balls are there in 30 boxes? So what is given? In 11 boxes there are 132 balls and you have to find the number of balls in 30 boxes. It means you have to move from many to many. So we will apply the unitary method. So first of all we will find the number of balls in one box and then we will find the number of balls in 30 boxes. So let's start the solution. Number of balls in 11 boxes is equal to 132. We will find the number of balls in one box. Number of balls in one box is equal to 132 divided by 11. From many to 1 you will divide. So when you divide 132 by 11 you will get 12 balls. I have shown the division also. Now you have to find the number of balls in 30 boxes. So you know the number of balls in one box is equal to 12 and you have to find the number of balls in 30 boxes. It means you have to move from one to many, so you will multiply. So 12 multiplied 30 is equal to 360. So the number of balls in 30 boxes will be equal to 360 balls. Now students, let's start with question number 7th of exercise 14.1. The cost of 20 meters of cloth is rupees 480. Find the cost of 15 meter of cloth. So again, what is given? Cost of 20 meter cloth is rupees 480 and you have to find the cost of 15 meter of cloth. It means you have to move from many to many. It means you have to apply the unitary method. In unitary method we will first find the cost of 1 meter of cloth and then we will find the cost of 15 meter of cloth. So let's start the solution. Cost of 20 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 480. Cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 480 divided by 20. When we divide 480 by 20 we will get the answer as rupees 24. So the cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 24. Now we have to find the cost of 15 meter of cloth. It means we have to move from one to many. So we will multiply. So cost of 15 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 24. This is the cost of 1 meter of cloth and we will multiply it by 15. When we multiply it by 15 we will get the answer as rupees 360. So cost of 15 meters of cloth is equal to rupees 360. Now students, let's start with 9th question of exercise 14.1. 5 mangoes cost rupees 95. What is the cost of 12 such mangoes? So cost of 5 mangoes is given and you have to find the cost of 12 such mangoes. It means you have to move from many to many. So we will apply the unitary method. In unitary method you will find the cost of 1 mango. After finding the cost of 1 mango you will multiply the cost of 1 mango by 12 to find the cost of 12 mangoes. So let's start the solution. Cost of 5 mangoes is equal to rupees 95. Cost of 1 mango. For many to 1 you will divide. So you will divide 95 by 5. After dividing 95 by 5 you will get the answer as rupees 90. I have shown the division also. Now you have to find the cost of 12 mangoes. You know the cost of 1 mango, that is rupees 19. You have to find the cost of 12 mangoes. It means you will multiply the cost of 1 mango by 12. So cost of 12 mangoes is equal to rupees 19 multiply 12. I have shown the multiplication also. After multiplying we will get the answer as rupees 228. So cost of 12 mangoes is equal to rupees 228. Now student, let's start question number 10 of exercise 14.1. A car travels 360 km in 60 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 12 liters of petrol? So distance covered in 60 liter of petrol is given as 360 km, and you have to find the distance covered in 12 liters of petrol. It means you have to move from many to many. So we will apply the unitary method. In unitary method we will first find the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, and then we will find the distance covered in 12 liters of petrol. So let's start the solution. Distance covered in 60 liters of petrol is equal to 360 km. Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. For finding the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, we will divide, as we are moving from many to 1. So 360 divided by 60, we will get the answer as 6 km. Now we have to find the distance covered in 12 liters of petrol. So we know the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 66 km. So we have to find the distance covered in 12 km. It means we have to move from 1 to many. So we will multiply. So distance covered in 12 liter of petrol is equal to 6 multiply 12. After multiplying it, we will get the answer as 72 km. So distance covered in 12 liter of petrol is equal to 72 kilometers. Now students, let's start question number 8 of exercise 14.1. A car travels a distance of 550 km in 5 hours. What distance will the car cover in 9 hours? How many hours are needed to travel a distance of 2750 kilometers? So students, in this question there are two parts. First of all, you have to find the distance covered in 9 hours. When the distance covered in 5 hours is given, you can find the distance covered in 9 hours by unitary method. Next, what is given? How many hours are needed to travel a distance of 2750 kilometers? So let's start the solution first. First of all, we will find the distance covered in 5 hours. So distance covered in 5 hours is equal to 550 kilometer. Distance covered in 1 hour will be 550 divided by 5, as we have to move from many to 1. So we will get the answer after dividing as 110 kilometer. Now we have to find the distance covered in 9 hours. It means we have to move from 1 to many. So we will multiply. We will multiply the distance covered in 1 hour by 9. So we will get, after multiplying it, as 990 kilometers. Now the first part of this question is complete, as we have to find the distance covered in 9 hours. Now second part is how many hours are needed to travel the distance of 2750 kilometers. Now students, the total distance is covered, that is 2750 kilometers, and you have to find the number of hours to cover this distance. So how we will do it? We will divide this total distance by the distance covered in 1 hour to find the number of hours needed to travel 2750 kilometers. So now we have to find the number of hours needed to travel the distance of 2750. So total distance is 2750 kilometers. Hour needed to cover 2750 kilometers is equal to total distance, that is 2750 divided by distance covered in 1 hour. So 2750 divided by 110. After dividing it, we will get the answer as 25 hours. I've shown the division also. So hours needed to cover 2750 kilometer is equal to 25 hours.